This literature kit on The Last Cuentista by Donna Barba Higuera keeps higher learners engaged and interested in the book. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Match key vocabulary words used in the story with their meanings. Describe what the quote, "a world without story is lost," means to you. Choose the correct answer that matches the questions about Petra's experience waking up on the ship. Explain the motivations behind the collective's actions. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as designing and creating a survivor's guide to space travel. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Illustrate the support that shapes Petra's identity with the family tree. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.